Good day, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about graphics processing unit and artificial intelligence. Every shift in computing is defined by a new engine. For decades, that engine was a central processing unit, or also known as CPU, a master of serial, sequential thinking. But today, the world runs on massive parallel calculations driven by a piece of silicon once relegated to gaming, the graphics processing unit, or GPU. This reflection is about more than just an hardware upgrade. It's about how the GPU evolved from a specialized component into a de facto technology for our future. The neural engine behind modern AI, the driving force for autonomous vehicles, and the very foundation of the coming metaverse. The change was profound. If you look at the history, CPU cores counts grew linearly at a slow rate of about 2 cores per year. But around 2006, the GPU curve took a vertical leap, jumping from dozens of cores to thousands. This wasn't just optimization, it was a realization that solving the computationally intensive tasks of 3D rendering, like simulating materials, lighting, and physics, that required a new paradigm, a massive parallelism. The GPU's original home was gaming, but its destiny was AI. The inflection point came when computer scientists realized that mathematical needs of deep learning were identical to the needs of rendering. Machine learning models required billions, even trillions of repetitive, simple operations, the massive matrix multiplications and additions that GPU excels at. In the words of NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang, the GPU emerged exactly when the traditional scaling of chips, known as Moore's law, began to falter. The GPU, coupled with the new software technique of deep learning, turbocharged the entire industry. This convergence lends to a specialized innovation. NVIDIA's Volta architecture introduced Tensor Cores, a hardware specifically designed to accelerate these matrix operations. This led to performance gains that shattered expectations. A Tesla V100 card, for instance, could achieve 120 teraflops on machine learning tasks, an eightfold increase over its general performance. The GPU became the engine driving scientific innovation from modeling protein folding to generating more accurate weather simulations. This exponential performance is expected to continue, with forecasts suggesting GPUs in 2040 could be 100 times better than those of 2018. The future of computation is undeniably parallel. The theoretical power of AI, enabled by GPU, finds its most complex real-world application in intelligent driving vehicles. An autonomous car is fundamentally a sophisticated robot, and its brain is a vision neural net running on GPUs like the NVIDIA Orin chip. Autonomous vehicles showcases the GPU's power in three critical pillars of development. Number one, real-time perception. The GPU transforms raw data from cameras and sensors into a 4D world model, the mind of the car. This 3D representation tracks every line, edge, traffic sign, and car position in real time, allowing for safe path planning. Number two, mapping and memory. GPUs are used to incrementally build a global map, the collective memory of the fleet, which acts as another sensor for the vehicle. And number three, simulation and synthetic data. This is where the concept of the digital twin becomes crucial. Companies like NVIDIA use DriveSim on Omniverse to generate petabytes of synthetic data. This virtual environment allows AI models to be trained on millions of complex, dangerous, or rare scenarios that will be impossible to collect in the real world. The digital twin in this context is a high-fidelity virtual copy of the real world, used to test and perfect the AI brain. This capability to simulate reality before deploying is not just an application, it's a necessary step toward all advanced AI systems. The ultimate digital twin is the metaverse, the 3D, immersive successor to the 2D internet we know today. This isn't just a gaming platform, it's a virtual environment where we can be present with people in digital spaces. The GPU's role here is to power the ultimate immersive experience. We have hyperrealism. To truly feel present, the virtual world must be believable. This requires massive GPU power to render hyper-realistic 3D animation and meta-humans avatars that look exactly like us in the physical world. Next is full immersion. Beyond visuals, immersion requires technology that enables full body tracking and multi-sensory feedback. Today, this sophisticated gear is prohibitively expensive, but as GPU power democratizes and costs drop, these immersive experiences will become mainstream. And lastly, mixed reality. The consensus leans toward a blended world. Rather than completely disconnecting via VR headsets or virtual headsets, the future is likely to be mixed reality, where augmented reality or AR seamlessly layers the digital world onto our physical one. The GPU is not only rendering the virtual beach, it is powering the subtle, complex systems that make us feel the experience, even manipulating our senses through new technologies like multisensory cocktails. We are witnessing an unprecedented acceleration fueled by the GPU. The entire ecosystem, AI training, realistic simulation, and immersive reality is locked in a positive feedback loop. Better GPUs enable more powerful AI, which in turn creates more realistic simulations, further refining the next generation of GPUs. But as the digital and physical worlds blur, we face significant challenges that must be addressed. First, digital justice and safety. As our entire being becomes digital, every action is logged. This raises questions about digital harm, cybersecurity, and who governs these virtual spaces. Second, the blurring of reality. The ability to live a total separate life in the metaverse or to tweak our virtual selves to be better than our physical selves, as this raises ethical concerns about neglecting the physical world. Ultimately, the GPU has shaped our future by prioritizing parallelism and speed. It has moved beyond being graphics card to become a silicon brain, powering autonomous intelligence and rendering entirely new realities. The destination is a world of blended reality and perpetual digital twins where the line between real and virtual is constantly challenged. The GPU has given us tools. Now it's up to us to decide how we build the world that comes next. As future engineers, the world does not stop from evolving and continue venturing new technologies and ways to improve our society. The future with artificial intelligence or AI, automated vehicles, metaverse, and other advanced technologies is a help to humanity. Us, future engineers, must grab this opportunity to create and produce new things aligned to these technologies that can greatly contribute to our society. I am Miguel Angelo Emmanuel V. Vergara, and thank you for watching.